It's wrapping up a pretty busy weekend for us. Had to do POV the other day.
What's POV?
POV is point of view. It's a talk show on Aftro TV. So if you want to see any of the POV episodes, go to YouTube. Go to Aftro TV on YouTube, and you can find the POV episodes.
Yeah, you fucked up.
So we had a great photo shoot today with Terrell. He's our favorite photographer. For My Hood magazine. My girl Kia, what's up? And so we had to do that and then get ready for the photo shoot. And now it's a wrap for the weekend.
I shouldn't be your focus, baby. With your throat that you can say the romance. She did it with no hands. They said I had no chance. $1 million later, now they got out both hands. Yeah.